हमने अपना जो बात रखना था हमने रख दिया उनके सामने। हमने अपने इशू में कोई डिमांड को भी डाइल्यूट नहीं किया है। जो हमारा पुराना इशू है वही इशू हमने रखा है सामने, ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड का। अब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को कम बैक करना है कि उनके व्यू में हमारे त्रिपुरा का भविष्य के लिए क्या सोल्यूशन वो रख सकते हैं। तो हमने अपना पॉइंट रख दिया है, उन्होंने सुना है। अब उनके बॉल उनके कोर्ट में।
वो क्या बोला मिस्टर?
वो जो भी बोलेंगे राइटिंग में देंगे, आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए उसने क्या बोला। लेकिन हमने जो भी बोला है अपने कम्युनिटी के लिए बोला है, अपने बारे एक डिमांड नहीं किया, कम्युनिटी के बारे में।
Sir, as you see the greater Tripura land, and you have also raised the issue of constitutional solution. What type of constitutional solution would be good for this?
We have asked, according to us, a separate administration and a demand for greater Tripura land is the final solution. And we have put that point across to him very clearly, and we have given our reasons. If the government of India has a better idea, then we should come back to us with a better idea in writing, and we will consider it. We are not unconsiderable people. But the fact is that much like any community which has been deprived for such a long time, it is our point of view to put up our demand which is within the constitution, and a demand for greater Tripura land is very much within the constitution of India.
So two issues, one is the Cockborok issue, has that been raised, and another is
language is inherent to our demand. When Pakistan tried to impose Urdu language to the people of East Pakistan, the Bhasha Andolan started, and that's why Pakistan also broke up into two pieces and Bangladesh was created. So it is in the people should understand that language cannot be dominated, and whether it is Kok Tiprasa, Kaubru or Kok Borok, whatever it is a language of the indigenous people, and our language should be respected, and our script and our demand for a script should also be respected.
And about the direct funding to the TTAD, is that
It's all within the demand of Greater Tripura land. Anything that we have demanded, everything comes under the demand of Greater Tripura land. We don't want to go piecemeal. Our demand is very much constitutional, and we have put up a point. Now, it is up for the government of India to react and to honor what we are saying, and also to acknowledge that the indigenous people of Tripura haven't been treated with equal representation or equal justice.
सर किस के साथ मीटिंग हो रहा है आप लोग?
वो आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए। मैं त्रिपुरा मोथा का फाउंडर होकर मैं आया हूँ हमारे साथ।
अभी जो समाजपति जो है उसके
वो आप उनसे समाजपति से पूछ लीजिए, वो ज़्यादा बता सकते हैं।